you're gonna come in, huh? I have to go to work, and this dog here will not let me go. Yeah. I can't really leave her in the backyard because when I pull out, she freaks out and she might rip the gate open. You know? So I have to have her in the house so I can back out okay. But apparently she's like standing guard between the gate. The gate. I gotta go. Don't hit me, damn it. I gotta go that way. And this thing won't let me. Lua is going nuts. It's already, I'm like 4 hours late for work already. Like, I'm not kidding. Lua. We had a rainstorm. It's been nuts. I just can't even. I'm from California, and we're not used to rain, let alone 3 storms in one day that just flooded out my house. Oh, Lord. That's another video. That's actually a nightmare. Anyway, I got this dude. Ah! I'm recycling. Take that shit in. Got this guy that I'm trying to get her in the house with. Hey! Don't kill Alf. That's mine from when I was a kid. Alright, you coming in. Lua. Yo, Lua. Let's go get the cats. Come on, Lua. Let's go get the cats. Ouch. Alright, now if I can... Chickie! Little chicken. Yo, Lua. Oh. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Get in the house. Look. Ow! Don't you bite Alf like that. My hand's inside of Alf. He's a puppet from Burger King back in the day. Alright. Damn it. I'll put this on. What up, YouTube? Hello? How does Alf talk? It's been so long, I forgot. Okay, little Lua. Come on. Get in the house, Lua. Baby Lou. Ow. Hey. Now, okay, now I need to get in here. This is not funny. Alright, I gotta go, YouTube. She's being an ass. A sassy little ass. Alright, get your butt in the house. I'm not kidding. Oh my god, this is absurd! This is like you just put the hose on. You know, just put the damn hose on and let it go. I don't even know what to do to sit here and videotape because look at this, look at that, look at that. Holy shit! Oh my god! Look at. Oh my god. Come on, green light. I'm gonna be fucked. Oh, hell no, dude. I didn't think I'd get my own waterfall built into a bedroom. Look at this shit. Oh my god, man. Wow. Wow. I just feel so helpless. Oh man. Oh shit. Check that out. Angry. Mother Nature's mad at California for that damn oil spill. Southern California. Oh wow, did you see that? I think that just hit that new house over there.